Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Neet's Neet. I'm sure you all are expecting this particular video on MCQs on cell unit of life. Kindly apologize for a little delay due to some technical reasons. And I'm sure you all know the reason behind this video. Biology MCQ, daily practice questions for NEET, AIMS, JIPMA. We have already started with MCQ series and completed successfully 6 episodes. We are here into our 7th episode on NEET Biology, Daily Practice MCQ, Cell Unit of Life Part 2. This is the timetable, how we started the journey, and we have successfully completed last week's syllabi. Going to attach all the links of this MCQ series in description box. Please make a note of it, and if you haven't gone through such MCQs, kindly go through it and make the best use of this channel. We are here today to see Cell Unit of Life Part 2, and this is coming week's timetable as well. So hope you have already marked your calendar. If not, please make a note of it and ensure that you come prepared before you watch this video. Yes, thank you so much for your kind cooperation. Please subscribe the channel, like it and share with your friends. I'm here with one piece of information. Shortly, along with this daily MCQ series, I've also decided to create concept maps and mind maps of every chapter in NEET, which would be of great help to quickly revise before your exam. Also, I'm going to explain shortly every chapter before your NEET exam, along with some tricks and tips and mnemonics to learn the lesson. So please stay tuned to the channel. Kindly subscribe, make the best use of it. And I'm also going to give you the lecture session on live. I'm going to appear on the screen because some of you had given me request of teaching on board. So shortly you will be getting all these facilities. So please stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't done it before. 10 questions over here. Yes, let's quickly start with question number 1. Which of the following are the example of unicellular and multicellular organisms respectively? A. Paramecium and Euglena, B. Euglena and fungi, C. Amoeba and paramecium, D. Euglena and amoeba. Unicellular first and multicellular then. So you know that Euglena and fungi, because Euglena is a unicellular flagellated protista and fungi is a multicellular organism. So answer is B. Question number 2. Which of the following statement is not true? A. Cytoplasm is a major constituent of both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. B. The chromosome contain the genetic material DNA. C. Human cheek cell contain cell wall as the delimiting structure of the cell. D. Cell membrane was coined by Nageli and Kramer. So statement 1 is true because cytoplasm is the major constituent of both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Statement B is also right because DNA is enclosed in the chromosome within the histone. Statement D is also right because cell membrane was coined by Nageli and Kramer. But statement C is wrong because human cheek cell is an animal cell. Human cells are belonging to kingdom Animalia. We don't have any cell wall. So the delimiting structure is only the cell membrane. So option C is wrong. Question number 3. The eukaryotic cells are essentially two envelope system because they contain, yes, I hope you guessed it right, because of the presence of plasma membrane and nuclear membrane, we call the eukaryotic system as the two envelope system. Question number 4. Both chloroplast and mitochondria dash. Have multiple membranes, have highly structured innermost membrane, are found in eukaryotic cell, and all of the above. Yes, I hope you have studied about chloroplast and mitochondria. Yes, and I also understand that all ABC is seem to be right. Correct. So the right answer is D, all of the above. But chloroplast is found only in plant cells containing the pigments, yes, within the plastids, but it's not present in the animal cell. But mitochondria is present in animal cell. Okay, so both chloroplast and mitochondria have multiple membrane, have highly structured innermost membranes. They are found only in eukaryotic cell. So answer is D. Question number 5. What is true about ribosomes? A. These are composed of ribonucleic acids and proteins. These are found only in eukaryotic cell. These are self-splicing introns of some RNAs. The prokaryotic ribosomes are ATS, where S stands for sedimentation coefficient. I'm sure you have guessed the answer because you know we have studied about ribosomes in the cell lesson. Yes, so answer is A. Ribosomes are composed of ribonucleic acids and proteins. Let's see why BCD is wrong. We just discussed in yesterday's portion that ribosomes is present in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So B is wrong. They are not self-splicing introns of some RNAs, which is wrong. Again, they don't have ATS ribosomes in prokaryotes. It is again wrong because prokaryotes have 70S ribosomes and eukaryotes are made up of ATS ribosomes. So true about ribosomes is option A. Question number 6. Which of the following terms is not correctly matched with its feature? Osmosis, of course, yes. Movement of water by diffusion. So A is true. Nucleoplasm, site of active synthesis of ribosomal RNA, yes. So B is also true. C, mesosomes, infolding of cell membrane and characteristics. Till here it is true of eukaryotes, which is again false because mesosomes are infoldings of cell membrane and characteristics of prokaryotes, which is similar to mitochondria in eukaryotes. So option C is not correctly matched with its feature. So C is wrong. Let's also discuss D. Pili. Of course, it is the elongated tubular structure of bacteria and it is made of special proteins. Question number 7. Match the following. So we are here having in column 1 few organelles and in column 2 it's matched features or functions of the respective organelle. Centriole, non-membrane bound organelle which helps in cell division. Fimbriae, special structure of bacteria which help them to attach with rocks in stream and also to host tissue. Endomembrane system includes those organelles whose functions are coordinated, and we know that endomembrane system comprises endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes and vesicles. Mitochondria, of course, they are the site of aerobic respiration divided by fission. Here, I'm sure that all the column 1 options are rightly matched with that of column 2. So I'm sure you have already guessed the answer. Yes. Of course, the answer is option A, right? Because A1, B2, C3 and D4 is the right answer. Hope it's all clear till now and you're able to make the answer right. Question number 8. The statement that is correct about cell wall of prokaryotic cell. Statement 1. Cell wall if present is muramic acid. Question number 2. Cell wall, if present, possesses acetic acid. Statement number 3. Cell wall is always absent. From here you can understand statement 3 is wrong because we know that except animals, kingdom Animalia, all the other kingdoms do possess cell wall. The component may vary, but all possess cell wall except kingdom Animalia. So statement 3 is wrong. With this we rule out C and D options. Now, correct. Cell wall of prokaryotes are made up of muramic acid. Cell wall of prokaryotes have peptidoglycans with NAG and NAM and acetyl glucosamine and N-acetylmuramic acid. Yes. So answer is A. Question number 9. How do actin and tublin proteins related to eukaryotic cell structure and function? A. They are both embedded proteins in plasma membrane. It's false. They are both components in the reactions of photosynthesis. Not at all. They are both participants in the production of large amounts of ATP. Of course, no. So the right answer is they are both components of the cytoskeleton, because in cytoskeleton you have these components which are actin and tubulin. And what is the function of this actin and tubulin? They help in contractile forces, and these microtubules will have the formation of the polarized network of the organelles. So actin and tubulin play a very important role to help microtubule to do its role. Right? Last question for today. Question number 10. Cell organelles meant for the storage of fat are known as. Of course, the answer is B, Elaioplast, which is a direct question. But let's see what is Amyloplast and what is Aleuroplast. Amyloplast, Elaioplast and Aleuroplast is a part of Leucoplast, right? Amyloplast helps in, yes, conversion of glucose to starch and storage of starch. Of course, Elaioplast, we just saw storage of fatty acids, yes, lipids and terpenes. And Aleuroplast is again a part of Leucoplast, which helps in storage of proteins. So with this we come to the end of today's session. Kindly subscribe to the channel, look into the description box for all the previous videos and also the basic lecture on cell, and kindly make a note of this particular additional inputs which I have given in this video, which is going to be uploaded shortly. Thank you if you have subscribed to the channel, and if you have liked the channel, please do share with your friends. To stay tuned for more and more MCQs and Neet related information, lectures, concept maps and mind maps. All the very best. Good night. See you again with next set of MCQs and post on scientist with its discoverers all in a single roof. Thank you.